Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi. I had a fabulous vacation. I loved eating out every meal for an entire week, but I'm ready to be back in the kitchen. So let's get into Aldi, see what goods I'm getting this week. You can see my meal plan at the end. Plus, there's a bonus Meijer haul because I needed some staples to make dinner last night since my fridge was pretty cleared. So let's get in, see what I got, and I'll share with you my hauls for the week. I told my daughter that I'm making French toast sticks next week. I really hope they have that. That sounds amazing. Pumpkin spice brioche. We're making waffles this week. So hopefully I have it next week. But look how good that looks. $4.29 a loaf. My son's been asking for these, and I told him next time I find them red sticker I'd get them. So here they are, $1 off, so they'll be $2.69. Oops. $2.99. These used to be $1.99 for pita. My daughter likes to have half of these in triangles with hummus in her lunch. We're having BLTs this week, so I'm going to get the Italian white bread, $2.19. We are having a birthday brunch for my daughter's 11th birthday on Sunday with friends, and I'm going to get cinnamon raisin toast to go with it, $2.19. I'm gonna get a bag of Honeycrisp apples. This is such a good price for them, $2.99 for 2 pounds. And then I'm also gonna get 2 things of blueberries for the kids' lunches. Super easy to rinse them off and put them in. It's been a favorite of mine recently. We're having butter chicken. Birthday girl requested it. Actually, it's not her birthday till next week, but 85 cents for cilantro. And 85 cents for green onions to go on top of baked potato soup. That was my husband's request for the week. I'm also making roasted cauliflower for 2 nights of dinner. I'll make it once and we'll have leftovers the second night. So here's the biggest head I could find, $2.55. Pumpkins are only $3.49. I really need to bring my kids to pick out their pumpkin. This is our pumpkin patch. Am I cheap? Yes. Does it work? Also yes. I'm gonna get bananas for 41 cents. We've been on a real salad kick and everyone's loving it, so I need more romaine. I'm not really impressed with what I'm seeing this week though. They look small and very dirty. Guess that one's gonna have to do, $2.95. I'm getting 2 dozen eggs because I'm making lots of cake this weekend in cake pops, and I need eggs for it, $2.07 per dozen. Heavy cream is needed for potato soup and for butter chicken, $4.35. I'm also going to get a whipped cream for waffles this weekend, $2.95. $2.45 for grape tomatoes. And then also for BLTs, I'm going to get 2 Roma tomatoes. My vegetarian will obviously not put bacon on hers, but she loves to make sandwiches and she needs tomatoes. Orange juice for our breakfast, $4.35. I need lots of butter, so I'm going to get 2 packs at $3.97. It's a penny off, guys. I got to stock up. Getting 2 packs of bacon, 1 for our breakfast and 1 of course for BLTs. I will probably end up freezing some of it, but $3.99 a pack. Okay, look at all this fall goodness. That sounds really good. Lots of yummy things here. I'm gonna get 2 packs of these to put in my kids' lunch, just a little every day. Cinnamon, they love them. $1.89 a piece. 2 cans of diced tomatoes for butter chicken, 79 cents a piece. Okay, I'm gonna get potatoes, $5.29 for 10 pounds for potato soup, and also to make potato wedges with either the chicken sandwiches or the BLTs. I need garlic for $1.95. They have ginger? Since when? Ginger's $1.99. Oh my gosh, I'm getting it, you guys. Look how much ginger you get for $1.99. I don't see this often here. Maybe I've missed it, but I'm excited. We are running low on ketchup, and when I'm making potato wedges, and we're having tater tots, you know I need to get some. $1.59. These are cool. I don't know if I've missed them, but yum. Chick-fil-A dupes, $1.89. I'm not getting them, but they look good. It has been so long since my Aldi had these sandwich slices. This very much excites me. $1.15, but I'm getting these for chicken sandwiches, $2.19. Yay, pickles. The crunchy in my kids' lunches this week is going to be pup pretzels. All of them like it, $2.19. Lemon juice, $2.49. We ran out. My favorite Aldi cereal, Raisin Bran Crunchy Granola. So good, $2.29. We're just stocking up on a few cereals. We're just basically running low. I'm going to get Cinnamon Balance, $1.85. And let's see, one more. What else should we get, guys? I'm gonna go with cocoa rice, $1.95. I remember these from last year. Lots of different plant varieties here. Really cute sheet sets, $19.99. Pretty trash can, and yes, I did call a trash can pretty. A pitcher. Wow, that is one giant water bottle, $14.99. Folding mats. I got these on clearance last year. Absolutely love my kettlebells. Oh, these look nice. My daughter's actually gonna have knee surgery soon, but we have the hospital ones, but I might have to come back and get that. Let's see. Resistance tubes, clothing, comforters. Sherpa blankets are on clearance. Wow. We have one of these from Target. My son loves it for his tablet. It works really well. I don't see the price though. Adorable. I think that'd be a good gift for a kid. Outdoor screen for projectors. I actually think that'd be a fun family gift. We have a projector. I'm gonna ask my husband what he thinks about getting that for our family. I think these long huggy plushes are cute. There's a dog, a pig. Oh, no, not a pig. I thought it was a pig. It's a cat. And a dino. They're $12.99 each. Another good gift item. Guys, look at this side. All Halloween. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. The Halloween gnomes are not priced. I'm guessing $8.99. I haven't seen a price. They're super cute. I'm not getting one. But I do think these are really adorable. The Halloween pet costumes, like a lion, a little dino, a unicorn. I don't have a dog, but my cats would probably kill me. $5.99. Also, they have full-size candy bars, $14.48. So it's less than $1 a piece, but it still isn't the best deal because you only get 18. It's almost $1 a piece. But we are a full-size candy hander-outer. Lots of fun options this year here. They also have these family outfits, $9.99 a piece. And in case you're wondering, there's more. Running low on some spices, so I'm getting cinnamon. Actually gonna get 2 of these because we go through a lot of cinnamon in the holiday season. 97 cents a piece, and garlic powder, 97 cents. My daughter is making cupcakes for a friend's birthday, so I need to get 98-cent cake mix. I'm getting 2 things of powdered sugar to make sure I have enough for my icing and my daughter's icing. $1.69 a piece. Aldi finally has canned pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix, but I'm disappointed we don't have the Aldi brand here. They have a spot for it, it's just not here. $2.57 for sugar, $2.12 for flour. I'm running low on both, so I'm grabbing a bag of each, but I won't grab that bag. I need a bag of coffee, so I'm gonna get the breakfast blend, $4.69. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 hot chocolates with the marshmallows. That's necessary, $1.49 a piece. Okay, let's see, beer battered fillets. Those actually look really good. Swedish style meatballs. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good to me. I'm gonna have to put that on the meal plan, but I make my own Swedish sauce. Buffalo style chicken, some turkey breasts, sweet potato crinkle fries. Chicken over there, chicken fries. Pizzas. Ooh, that looks yummy. General Tso's chicken, but it's vegan. Okay. Chickenless bites. Pickled cheese. What is that? It's $4.29. I don't know what that is. Breadsticks, garlic bread, garlic potatoes. Oh, yes. I see the pretzel sticks over there. Or pretzels or pretzel sticks. They're $4.49. I single-handedly almost ate our entire box last time, so I'm getting more. They're $4.49. They're so good. I love them. Let's see here. Strudel, spitzel, garlic and cheese spitzel. Lots of different pizzas over here. All the holiday ones are back. So cute. They're $5.49 a piece. I've never bought them, but they're cute. They have the German cakes. Let me see. So someone said this was the best Aldi dessert they've ever had. I saw it on a Facebook group and it made me want to try it. So I'm gonna get this. My daughter loves cherry. Her and I will probably try this together. It's $3.69, but I'm gonna trust the Aldi Facebook group. And I'm actually really excited. I love cherry desserts, so there's lots of stuff here. I kind of feel bad I'm not getting anything that my whole family would love, but we have birthday cake and we now have this too. Let's see, so there's a turmeric smoothie. Interesting. Lots of gluten-free options over there. Gelato bites, Village pumpkin pies. So the fusion ice cream bars are $2.29. They're on clearance. And lots of ice cream options over here still. My whole family every week asks me where the orange water is. Everyone loves it. They don't have it anymore. I don't know why. Do you guys still see tangerine at your Aldi? Or are we strictly SOL from here on out? It's been maybe 5 or 6 weeks since I've been able to find it. But I'm gonna get lemon and break my family's heart again. But even my kids love it. My husband loves it. We'll just have to try this. $3.49 plus deposit if you live in Michigan. So I really wanted Havarti cheese for our chicken sandwiches, but I don't see it. So I'm going to just get sharp cheddar, $1.99. Oh well, I think I'll survive. Sure hope I will. And then I need to get hummus. Pine roasted is what I'm gonna get, $2.45 for my daughter's lunches. Those look amazing. I'm not getting them, but they do look really good. I had to look at the sale items. Okay, I'm gonna get hash brown patties for our breakfast, $4.49, and $1.75 for potato puffs. I'm excited. They have some of my plain waters, so let's see how many I can find. I see 4. I'm hoping there's more. They're 78 cents a piece. Only 4, but that's fine. These bras are so nice. I really love them. I don't have much to hold, so I know that kind of makes a difference, but they're very comfortable. $9.99. I bought the exact ones here before. Definitely recommend them. Tail blankets, really cute. I'm gonna get these Halloween Fruity Pebbles. I think my son will love them. $2.49, part of our restock. Roasted sweet corn is on clearance. I've never had that. Lots of Halloween specialties. Okay, think I'm pretty set here. So here's my cart for the week. Any guesses on the total? Lots of checkout goodies. Not gonna get any, although every week I'm tempted by these. I exchanged my tomatoes because the ones, as I was loading, I saw some were rotten. So I spent $136.82. Let's go home and see Meijer and meal plan. So I actually went to Meijer on Sunday because I needed to get butter to make biscuits tonight. I'm making chicken a la king for dinner, and we'll be having that later for leftovers. But this butter is what I picked because it was on sale from $5.49 to $3.59. So I've never bought this before, but it was the cheapest butter, so I got it. Also, I got these brioche buns at Meijer instead of Aldi because they were on sale for $3.29, and then I had a $1 off coupon, so they were only $2.29 for 8 brioche buns. We're having shredded chicken sandwiches. The chicken that I'm making, it's from the freezer, but it's in the crock pot today for the chicken a la king, and I'm making enough shredded chicken that I can have them for sandwiches. That's one way to stretch your budget, is just make in bulk and use for multiple meals. So that is what we're having with our shredded chicken sandwiches. I also needed milk to make biscuits, and we were completely out of milk. Again, we just got home from our Disney trip, and we purposely used our milk before we left. This milk was $2.88 for an entire gallon, so actually pretty comparable to Aldi. I was only going to get essentials, and my husband convinced me that this was essential for watching a movie tonight. We have crackers, and he wanted snack cheese. So we got this. This was $3.29. The real reason I had to go to Meijer today was to get my husband's birthday cake. He turned 38 while we were at Disney, and of course we didn't buy him one of their expensive cakes there, and it was during the hurricane. But this is his favorite. He loves the Meijer sheet cake with Bavarian filling, buttercream icing, and this is what I got. So it was $27.99. Happy birthday, Daddy. 38 is great. These candles were $3.95 because it's also my daughter's birthday next Monday. So since I shop on Mondays, I need to get this done for next week. And she's having friends over this weekend. She's turning 11, and these were $3.95. I love the colors and the sparkles. Finally, I got the Simply Apple, Simply Raspberry Lemonade. This was $4.19, and this was $2.75, and then I had a $1.50 coupon if I bought $5 in juice. We're going to have this tonight when we watch the new Hocus Pocus movie. So we're going to have cake, apple cider, probably crackers and cheese. But this was my Meijer haul. A majority of it was spent on the cake, and it was $47.16. Okay, here's the meal plan for the week. I'm making shredded chicken sandwiches. I actually made the shredded chicken last night when I made dinner, so that's easy. I'm gonna have tots and cauliflower with that. We're also having BLTs with half of the cauliflower. And I wrote chips down. I wish I would have remembered that when I was at Aldi, because I have now committed myself to making potato wedges, which will be better, just a little more work. I'm also making butter chicken for dinner this week. We will have waffles and a breakfast bar for my daughter's friends coming over for her 11th birthday. We are also going to my in-laws, Nana and Papa, for my daughter's birthday dinner, and I'm only responsible for bringing queso. And my husband was a genius last time, and we recognized that buying a large thing of queso from our local restaurant actually is less expensive and obviously less work than me buying all the ingredients to make queso. So we're picking that up. Very easy for me. We are also going to have a date night this week, thanks to my in-laws. My husband and I get to go to dinner and a movie. That is to be determined when or exactly what we're doing, but I obviously am looking forward to it. And finally, we will have a leftover night with those 4 dinners right there. You guys, I forgot. I didn't even write it down. We're having baked potato soup this week, so I guess leftovers is probably going to be pushed to early next week, or maybe I'll make butter chicken at the end of the week so we can have it next week. We'll see, but I forgot. I'm also making baked potato soup. I don't know how I didn't write that down. But baked potato soup is on here basically instead of leftovers. So leftovers will probably be next Monday's meal. I know I share this regularly, but if you're interested in seeing how I make butter chicken, the entire start to finish process, you can check out this video right here. I have frozen naan, frozen chicken, frozen paneer, and frozen broccoli in my freezer right now, so it was a really easy meal to add to this week's menu. I didn't have to buy much for it, but it is one of our family's favorites. I make it in the Instant Pot. It's so delicious and definitely worth having 2 nights in a row. I have linked my spice jars below if you're interested in seeing how I upgraded all of these. I absolutely love them. So easy to find what I'm looking for all of my meals. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.